So the reason that you're probably here is due to the title of this video. And am I done building vans? What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Seize the Adventure. It's been quite a bit of time since I've uploaded any content to my channel whatsoever. So I thought I would take the moment to just kind of sit in front of the camera and just chat about what's been going on in my life. If you're familiar with my content, I have been converting camper vans here in Western Oregon for the last couple of years. And something that most of you probably don't know about me, I also work in the fisheries industry. I have a degree in fish and wildlife conservation biology, and I spend most of my days currently outdoors on a boat, essentially doing some studies on reservoirs and dams. Quite interesting work, and I can't be more thankful that I get to be outdoors every day in nature. And that's a big part of this channel, is just getting people outside. And the most current build that I've done was a 5x8 cargo trailer that I turned into what I was calling a tiny cabin. It's kind of a square drop style camper. And it was a lot of fun. I picked up the trailer for $150. And I ended up selling that trailer to somebody that's going to be putting it on a property, and it's kind of worked out super well. It was a great winter project. Unfortunately, I did not record too much content on that trailer. I kind of lost steam on the build content. So the reason that you're probably here is due to the title of this video. And am I done building vans? Well, the answer to that question is absolutely not. I really want to do another camper van build, and the next one that I do, I'd really like to do a full height van where I can actually stand up in. And I think, one, it'll make building it out quite a bit easier because I won't be hunched over with a sore back all the time. And two, it's probably gonna be something that I hold on to for a couple of years. The theme has been buy the van, build the van, camp in the van a handful of times, and then sell the van. And honestly, I have no complaints about that. It's provided me with some extra income, and I've gained a lot of experience in the past 4 years, more than I ever probably would have imagined. But there's a reason why I sold the camper, the previous little tiny cabin camper that I built, and I haven't purchased another van. And that reason is I am moving. The place we are moving to is actually a place that I once lived, and that is Colorado. Moving back to Colorado is going to essentially be the second season of this channel. And I'm really excited to start picking the camera back up once again and bringing you guys not only van building content, but also new adventures in a new place. And we are going to explore those areas together. Thank you once again for making it to the end of this video. And as always, we will see you in the next one.